didn't want this. I did not want this. Dude, this was all their fault. They've done this to us, to our family.
Your own son? You granddaughter! What?
Rude's gonna be fine. I saved her. And yours. That one's on you. You turned him against me. You turned them all against me.
Dusty!
What's your name? Lip drop.
Odin, please! You can stop this!
You can stop this. Just give me my map.
Sure. Trust you. Sounds like a great idea.
Let's see you come to my land. Turn my family against me. Killer, this is what you want, right?
He's
Frank! I won't let it in. Frank! This is not how it ends.
Was this everything you hoped for? Was your plan really all that much better than mine? I hope you got exactly what you want.
Not quite yet. Think you're the only one who can craft a binding spell? I spent many long winters thinking about what I would say to you as I watched you take your last breath. But now, I realize there's only one thing I need you to know. You have no hold on me anymore!
That's my frig. I forgot how good you look with wings.
Oh, husband. You always sought knowledge well. Now, I'm going to teach you what it's like to lose everything. Bow to your queen!
I always loved you, you know?
You've never loved anyone!
Real talk!
Father? Freya?
You did it, Loki. No, no, no. No, no more fighting. No. None of that matters now. This is your moment, Loki. Groa tried to hide you from me, but this is your destiny. Champion of the Jotnar. Only he can put on the mask. Only he can gaze into the truth of creation. Unfold the secrets of life and death. No more doubt, no more confusion. You were born for this. Put on the mask, Loki. Ask it the question.
This is your choice, son. I trust you.
No! 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 Why did you do that? What was it all for? You choose to be nothing! No!
Attack!
You've waited a long time for this, haven't you, Frigg? So have I!
Too late for that!
Fly! Three against one, and
Don't forget me, old fucker! What did you call me? That one's for draw!
Your arrows!
Got it!
you don't get it! No! You take everything I've worked for, everything I've killed for. I just wanted answers. When you're full of fine. Speed them. If you just played your part, none of this would have happened. What was it all for? Answer me, Loki! What's it all for?
Use your arrows.
I got it!
Speed up! Speed up!
One for it out!
Use these on our son, too?
This was our chance, Loki. I could have had my answers. I could have learned the truth. You took that away from me. I could have made things better. We could have made the 9 realms better.
This was never about the realms, or me. It was about you!
You destroyed everything. My home, my family, my kingdom.
You did those things! Your choices! You killed your own son!
It wasn't my choice. I had no choice.
There's always a choice! You have to stop. You can choose to be better.
No, I can't. I have to know what happens next. I will never stop.
Why'd you have to say that? Sofna. Apfra. Desu. Sofna. Hithan. Sofna. 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 What do we do with him?
I swore I would never rob from you the choice between life and death.
I have waited so long for this moment. And now that I'm here, I don't need this to make me whole.
We stopped his madness. That's all that matters.
That's what comes next.
It's Ragnarök. He's here. Time to go. Go where exactly?
Need an exit?
How?
It's giant stuff. Okay, follow me, quickly.
What? You have to go.
Freya! It is time.